Today, we're gonna ask these from our trashy AI program, Jarvis. I'm getting requests for the same.
Jarvis. Hello, Jarvis.
Hello. How may I assist you today?
Is it possible to have more than 4 dimensions?
Yes, it is possible to have more than 4 dimensions. In fact, in mathematics and physics, there are many theories and models that make use of higher dimensional spaces, such as 5-dimensional spacetime in some theories of gravity, or even 10 or 11 dimensions in string theory. However, it can be very difficult to visualize or understand such spaces, as they often behave in unexpected ways that challenge our intuition.
How many social credits you lose if you disrespect elders in China?
In China, the social credit system is a complex and constantly evolving system that assigns individuals a score based on a wide range of behaviors, including actions such as disrespecting elders. However, the actual penalty or negative impact on one's social credit score for such behavior can vary depending on a number of factors, such as the severity of disrespect, the age of the person being disrespected, and other contextual factors. It is important to note that the exact workings of the social credit system in China are not completely transparent or well understood outside of China, and there is ongoing debate and scrutiny around the potential impact of the system on individual rights and freedoms.
Is the punishment death sentence?
No, disrespecting elders is not punishable by death sentence in China, and there is no evidence to suggest that such behavior would result in such a severe punishment. However, as stated earlier, the specific penalty or impact on one's social credit score for this behavior is uncertain and could potentially have other consequences in terms of social or economic opportunities. It is important to note that the Chinese government has faced criticism and scrutiny from human rights organizations over the potential for misuse or abuse of the social credit system, and there are ongoing debates around the balance between social control and individual freedoms in such a system.
What is the meaning of life?
The meaning of life is a philosophical question that has been debated for centuries by thinkers, theologians, and scientists. There is no single answer or universal truth to this question, as it largely depends on one's personal beliefs, values, and experiences. Some people may find meaning in their work, relationships, personal growth, spirituality, or helping others, while others may find meaning in different pursuits or life goals. Ultimately, the meaning of life is a complex and highly individualized concept that varies from person to person.
Thank you, Jarvis.
Shutting down, sir.
Jarvis, I have few questions for you.
Of course, what would you like to ask?
But